Hey everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any updates on the latest cars and reviews. Today, we're talking about something really exciting, the all-new Volkswagen T-Roc. That's right, VW has taken one of their most popular compact SUVs and completely leveled it up. It's bolder, it's smarter, and it's cooler than ever before. So buckle up and let's dive into everything you need to know about the new Volkswagen T-Roc. Let's kick things off with the design, because wow, VW really turned up the heat. The front end of the new T-Roc has been totally refreshed. You'll immediately notice the new grille design. Sleek horizontal lines with either premium chrome or gloss black accents. It gives the SUV a much more upscale and aggressive look. And check this out. The headlights have been upgraded to LED Matrix or even OLED options. These aren't just any headlights. They don't just help you see better at night. They actually create a high-tech light signature that gives the T-Roc an instantly recognizable look day or night. From the side, things get even sportier. The body now has bolder character lines, giving it that muscular and planted stance that compact SUV lovers adore. The roofline has also been refined to strike the perfect balance between sporty aesthetics and headroom practicality. It still looks sleek, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort. Now to the back. This is where things get futuristic. The rear LED taillights are larger and now connected by a slim horizontal light strip, a design trend we're seeing in a lot of premium vehicles. It doesn't just look cool, it also enhances rear visibility, especially useful for night driving. In short, the new T-Roc looks sharper, feels more premium, and is going to turn a lot of heads. Now let's hop inside. Volkswagen didn't just stop with the exterior. Inside, the new T-Roc feels more refined than ever. You get higher quality materials, a cleaner layout, and a more modern design. The center console is more intuitive, and the infotainment system is completely updated. Expect a large, crisp touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital instrument cluster that you can customize with your driving info. Also, VW's latest voice assistant tech is built in, so you can control navigation, music, or climate just by talking. Say goodbye to distractions. There's also ambient lighting, premium sound options, and plenty of USB-C ports to keep everyone's devices charged. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading off on a weekend adventure, this interior makes the ride super enjoyable. Alright, let's talk about what's under the hood, because performance matters. The new 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc is doubling down on versatility, sticking with a lineup of tried-and-true turbocharged petrol engines while setting the stage for a bold electric future. At launch, buyers can choose between a 1.5-liter TSI and a 2.0-liter TSI engine, delivering between 115 and 200 horsepower. These power plants are designed to give you that punchy, responsive performance that makes everyday driving more enjoyable without sending your fuel bills through the roof. The 1.5-liter TSI is a solid all-rounder, offering smooth acceleration and great fuel efficiency, ideal for urban commuting and highway cruising. Meanwhile, the 2.0-liter TSI provides a noticeable boost in power, paired with Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive for those who crave extra grip and a sportier driving experience. Both engines are matched with either a slick-shifting 6-speed manual or a quick and smooth 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic, depending on the trim. But the really exciting news lies just ahead. Volkswagen is preparing electrified versions of the T-Roc. A plug-in hybrid, PHEV model is expected to join the lineup soon, offering all-electric driving for short commutes and a petrol engine for longer trips. This would give drivers the best of both worlds, low emissions and high flexibility. Even more forward-looking is the potential introduction of a fully electric T-Roc, possibly joining VW's ID family as the TRoc ID. This would mark a significant shift for the nameplate, taking it from a fun and efficient crossover into the realm of zero-emission motoring. With VW already investing heavily in EV platforms and infrastructure, the electric T-Roc could offer competitive range, fast charging, and the same stylish versatility the model is known for. In short, the T-Roc is evolving. Whether you're looking for fuel efficiency, turbocharged fun, or a gateway to the electric future, this crossover is shaping up to deliver. Volkswagen is giving buyers the power to choose and the freedom to grow with wherever the automotive world goes next. Let's not forget, an SUV has to be practical, and the new T-Roc checks that box too. It's compact enough to cruise through city streets and parking garages without a problem, but it still offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo. There's generous boot space, foldable rear seats, and lots of clever storage compartments throughout the cabin. You've also got all-wheel drive available on certain trims, which makes the T-Roc just as ready for a mountain weekend as it is for your daily commute. Plus, the ride height gives you that commanding SUV view of the road without feeling bulky or overbearing. Volkswagen is serious about safety, and the new T-Roc proves it with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to protect you and enhance everyday driving comfort. At the heart of the T-Roc safety package is adaptive cruise control, which helps maintain a safe following distance on the highway by automatically adjusting your speed in relation to the vehicle ahead. This takes a lot of the stress out of long-distance driving or heavy traffic conditions. Lane Keeping Assist ensures the T-Roc stays centered in its lane, providing gentle steering inputs if you begin to drift without signaling. It's especially useful on longer drives when fatigue can set in. Blind spot monitoring offers another layer of protection by alerting you when vehicles are approaching in your blind spots. Combined with rear traffic alert, which watches for cross traffic when reversing out of tight spots, these features make parking and lane changes much safer. The T-Roc also features automatic emergency braking, a critical system that can detect obstacles including pedestrians or cyclists and apply the brakes if the driver doesn't react in time. It's a lifesaver in busy urban environments. All of this comes together to create a smarter, safer crossover that takes some of the burden off the driver while adding peace of mind. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or navigating crowded city streets, the T-Roc safety tech helps you drive with more confidence and less worry. So, what's the verdict? The new Volkswagen T-Roc is more than just a facelift. It's a full-on next-gen SUV that brings together design, technology, performance, and sustainability in a way that few others in its class can match. Whether you're a city commuter looking for style or an outdoor enthusiast needing versatility, this T-Roc might just be your perfect match. And with the potential for hybrid and electric versions coming soon, the T-Roc also looks ready for the future. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the new Volkswagen T-Roc. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and news every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.